Ikaw na yung last. Save the best for last.
Mauna na ako, sabi ko sana save the best for last.
Hindi, ikaw. Okay. Sige.
Ako na muna.
Sabay na lang tayo. Okay. Hello po, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course. Thank you sa ating mga press sa pagpunta, sa pagbigay ng oras ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng supporters namin ni Julia, ni Ajo, ni Kaya, ni Labong, kay si Ate Bean, maraming salamat kasi simula umpisa na dyan kayo. Hanggang dito at di pa tayo tapos. Meron pa tayong Cebu, may Jensa. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Ayun, same. Akala ko ba sabay na lang? Ayun, same lang naman. This is a very special and meaningful night. Hindi namin nakalain na... Okay. Hindi namin akalain. Hindi... Sobrang excited ko. Hindi ko naman po yung word. Hindi po namin inakala na... diba, finally makagawa tayo ng... Ulit.
I know.
So, this is really a very special one. But thank you for joining us. And we'd like to just give a shout out, syempre, kasi sobrang laking parte din po nila Kuya Ketchup at saka nila Tita Noni dito sa pelikula na to. So, if you guys are watching, we're missing you and we wish you guys were here. Okay guys, let's have fun. Be kind. Thanks.
Okay. Filming. Ganun bang actors kayo who got some past experiences?
Sige. Okay. Hindi may iwasan. Hindi may iwasan na humugot sa past. But I think bilang aktor, nasa sayo na rin yan kung paano mo siya ibabawasan yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi, just to protect yourself lang din. Dun sa pain na nararamdaman mo. Kumbaga, kailangan mo humugot.
Grabe yung pain mo sa trailer pala. Parang sobrang pain ka. Okay.
Ayun, parang gano'n.
June, ikaw ba are you the type of actress who makes hugot sa experiences? Who makes hugot?
I don't know. I think ayoko naman i-spoil masyado yung naging process namin. Josh, kasi it's such an intimate one and na kami lang talaga magkakaintindihan habang ginagawa namin to. But siguro ginawa naming inspiration mas lalo yung happy memories namin. Kasi sa pelikulang to, matatrack din natin yung sa nakita nyo naman, mapapanood nyo yung naging journey ni Zaya and ni Juancho. And you know, I was really looking forward to coming together to make this film and recreate those happy memories that we really built so much in the past.
Katalino mo daw, sarap mong pakinggan. Barreto.
Thank you.
Na sometimes I give them space because they seem to have this very intimate personal process about making the scene. So they were so generous for sharing themselves.
Of course, they're great actors, no? Direct. Sarap, no? Okay. Justin, babasahin ko yata itong question from Reggie. How was this offered? Pre-pandemic pa ba ito? May tawanan ng creatives. Mukhang may inside story tayo, ha?
During the pandemic, parang we were receiving calls and then setting meetings about it. Tapos, originally, iba yung kwento niya, and then years later, pa-evolve na yung material. And I think it really boils down to the right time and the right script. So, it's a feeling naman when you know na it's time and when the script is right for the two of us. So, I was on board, of course, right away.
No, talaga. Good to hear that. Ito sa Joshua kasi, nung in-offer sa'yo ito, ang dami mong ginagawa, left and right yung teleseries.
Yeah, actually, after Paubayan, nagka-offer na kami. Tapos na siya
controversial Paubayan, music video.
With Black Sheep pa to, nung una. Kaya lang di na talaga kasi parang hindi pa yung tamang panahon para gawin yan. And then after 5 years, doon na nangyari. Pag-pitch sa amin, parang ang dami ng ideas bigla, bakit hindi ganito, ganyan. So parang saya din ng moment na yan. So nung unang pitch nila sa akin, sabi ko, game ako, gawin natin to, masaya to. Diba?
Na-miss niyo isa't isa? siya. Sinatanong ko lang kung na-miss sila sa
Of course. Yeah. Namiss ko yung may ka-eksena na
napakahusay.
naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko.
Oh my God!
Iba rin yung gano'n. And lumalabas siya sa scene talaga.
Yes, oo.
And namiss ko yung mga tawanan namin. Hindi lang kami, I mean, lahat tayo, di ba, sa set?
Oo, masaya kami lahat sa set. Sobra. Yung mga kasama natin sa amin lang. Oh, yeah.
It's the music.
Galing naman kasi ng ating score today, Spinner, pa-music. Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. You have to come here. Okay, so
Tinabihan nila ako na kailangan ng Kenny Sir sa movie na to. Tapos kapatid pa ni Julia, so nagpaganda talaga ako. Ayun talaga yung pressure ko.
Actually, achieve naman tonight.
Paano ako papantay sa ganda ni kapatid Julia?
Barreto yan.
Yes, Barreto. Kaya tawag nila sa akin, Bong Barreto. Yes.
Yayamani, di ba?
Kaya abangan na lang po natin ang magiging eksena ng Kenny Sir.
I'm happy for you. You get sa part ka ng magagandang projects, Bong.
Julia.
Kasi dati pa TikTok ka lang. Okay, thank you. Yun. Kyla, do you ever rest?
Relationships or personal lives?
Interesting question. Are you open to answering the question? Definitely, Julie.
Yeah, you know what, Tito? I feel like there's no might because I believe both Josh and I are both in a very secure place in our lives na kahit gumawa pa kami ng 10 pelikula, hindi naman yun yung intention naman nun ay hindi para makasira ng isang magandang bagay. So, yun lang. Siguro we're in a very secure position in our lives and it's not, I guess, fair to put it that way to the people that will be, affected with the way that you ask the question. But we'll be fine. I think we're okay. Tignan mo, ang saya namin natapos yung Unhappy for You. Lahat ng nasa paligid namin masaya para sa amin. Minamahal pa rin kami. So I think it says a lot about where we both are in our lives.
Nice. In other words, it's a yes. Joshua.
Yes, ma'am. Yun na lang din po yung sagot ko. Kasi actually, kami po na Jude, parang iba na yung approach namin sa work this time. Mas professional. We know our boundaries na rin. So, wala naman yung siguro ganun mangyayari, di ba? And, nagsushoot pa lang kami nito. Nag-uusap na kami na sana makagawa tayo, pero sana comedy naman. Kasi, bigang-biga kami dito. Masaya na ba kayo?
Happy!
Kaya pala ibinaya siya sa pain. Yung pala tunod na naman talagang direct pictures and yung pain.
Meron na kami peg na...
Sana comedy.
Comedy. Yun na lang yung dinidream namin habang nag-e-excite na kami ng mabibigat. One day, Josh, magka-comedy tayo. Yung comedy lang.
Okay. Tito Dan, movie with their exes. Kailan ka dumating sa point na you became comfortable enough to meet your ex again, to meet your ex again, and ano yung nag-precipitate nung feeling na yon, okay na ako to Joshua.
So in other words, in a simpler form, ano yung tanong?
I know. Naguluhan nga rin ako, pero sabi ko ang ganda ng tanong, pero ako naguluhan.
Hindi mo tinatanong.
Ano parang kanina ba tinatanong sa'yo?
Alin?
Kaya ka pa hawak ng script.
Yung sa mall show daw kasi, first of all guys, tinanong na ibang cast yan. Inulit ko lang yung tanong. Baka hindi klaro. At saka nag-joke lang ako. Kumbaga, hindi ko namang ini-encourage na panoorin niyo with your ex. Kasi choice niyo naman yun, di ba?
Kasi uso ngayon ng mga exes na nag-reunite.
Uso ba yun?
Officially for you yung sa Showtime.
Yes.
Especially for you.
I mean, choice naman niyo yun. I mean, kung parang, di ba, kung stream niyo yun.
It's for entertainment.
For entertainment lang naman yun.
Parang masaya lang, diba?
Correct. Joke time lang yun. Pero hindi namin sinasabing kailangan panoorin niyo itong kasama mga ex. Ngayon, mag-isa kayo. Okay lang. Basta panoorin niyo. Buy and take care of something.
Josh, may dadagdag ka. Okay. Kasi next ikaw na. The question, did you ask permission from...
Hindi ko nilasa sa partner ko. Kasi bago pa rin kayo magkakilala, alam niyo yung actor na yung, pa yung actor na yung trabaho.
Oh, sana all, no?
Just very supportive about yun sa movie. Kung ano naging process ko sa movie, enjoy ko lang yung process. Enjoy ko lang siya, enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho ulit si Julia. And enjoy ko yung journey na makatrabaho si Derek Peterson and lahat ng cast natin dito. Yun lang yung nangyari na. And kung may mali man kasi kami magawa, kinokorek na kami ng writers na nila direct.
May writers on the set ka, kayo?
Yes,
Dumadala.
very hands-on sila sa pelikula.
At least hands-on, di babaya. Charot, hindi babaya pa. Tawa ng tawa dito, Miss Kaya. Okay.
Ready na kayo or naka-gear na kayo na okay, this will be a fun set. Happy with you.
Ini-idiomatic expression naman kasi tayo. Ini-idioms tayo ni JP.
Feel ko ready na kami kasi unang-una hindi rin namin tatanggapin kung hindi kami ready. So diba, parang bakit namin gugustuhin na masaktan kami dito sa pelikula? Parang sobrang sadista naman natin sa pelikula. Parang I think ready na kami bago pa namin gawin. It's been 5 years na din, diba? Tagal na, marami na nagbago, and yung iba na, right?
In a good way.
In a good way. Yeah.
Ikaw, Julia.
Ano po yun?
Addition to that.
Saan po?
Doon sa ma-open na mga
Kung hindi ka ba nag-work,
can of worms.
Hindi naman, I don't think it was worry. Honestly, I was just really excited to reunite with Josh, work with him, and work with Derek Peterson, our cast, our writers that, you know, I've worked with Kukay several times also. So it was more excitement. I think ang ganda ng mindset namin lahat coming into this project na we all had one goal, and I think that made us bond even closer because of that one goal.
And then Julia, coming from that viral video, no?
What?
Hindi, ito naman, parang...
Hindi ready lahat, sila yun yung
Ang ganda kasi na narating nyo na yung ganong sitwasyon na pwede na siyang pagtawanan, gawing joke. So parang through the years na yun nga, nagkaroon ng something, tas pwede kayo magka-work ulit ngayon. Paano nyo na-achieve or na-prepare yung sarili nyo to be in that situation na pwede nyo na siyang pagtawanan and you can work together harmoniously?
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like parang may understanding na kami na even if we don't talk about it, parang okay na sa amin kasi tagal na parang happy na kami sa posisyon namin sa buhay ngayon. And then parang gusto na lang namin mangyari ngayon is parang maintain yung friendship namin, diba? Kasi sayang kasi diba parang iba na rin yung understanding natin sa isa't isa.
Yes, agree. Tama yung sinabi ni Josh.
Okay. Thank you so much.